Hey guys, this is Evan from EzOrigami, and today I'll be teaching you how to cut a square sheet of paper into a rectangle with roughly the same dimensions as a US dollar. I have some money folding tutorials on my YouTube channel, so this video will be helpful if you want to do some test folding with origami paper, or if you don't have any US dollars to fold from. And all you need to do is prepare a single square sheet of paper. I'm going to be using 6-inch kami with color on one side and white on the other, but the color and size of your square doesn't matter. And once you've prepared your paper, then we're going to start by folding in half diagonally. So take this bottom right corner and fold it up to the top left corner. Align the corners and the edges. And once both corners are aligned, we're not going to crease all the way. We just want to make a small crease at this top right corner, and we want to fold about 1/4 of the way down from the top. And once you've made that small crease, then you can unfold. And now we're going to fold up this bottom right corner and align it with the reference crease we just made. So we're going to do that by lifting up the bottom right corner and pulling it up and over to the left. But we also want our crease to pivot from this bottom left corner. So you want to make sure that all of the layers align in that bottom left corner as well. And you want to continue pivoting the paper so that this colored corner aligns with that reference crease on top. And once both references are aligned, then we're ready to make our crease. But again, we're not going to crease all the way. We just want to make a small crease over here on the right side. So we're just going to pinch the paper down like this. And this crease can be much smaller than the last one. We're just going to be using this as a reference as well. So once you've made that small crease, then you can unfold. And now we're going to make a horizontal crease that extends from this point here, where the small reference crease we just made intersects with this right edge. So we're going to do that by lifting up this bottom edge, and we want to slowly pull it up until we see that reference crease on the right once again. Just like this. And we want to make our crease at this point where the reference crease intersects with the right edge. So once that's aligned, you also want to make sure that the vertical edges on the left and right sides of the paper are aligned as well. So just make sure the paper is even on both sides, and then you can make your crease all the way across. Then we're going to turn the paper over from top to bottom, and now we're going to fold up this bottom edge and align it with this white layer underneath. So we're carefully going to pull up this bottom edge, and we want to start at the left and work our way over to the right, making a crease that aligns with that white edge underneath. Just like this. And you can make your crease all the way across. And then we want to unfold the paper completely. So you can just flatten everything out. And from here we want to cut the paper along these 2 horizontal creases. As you can see, we now have 3 rectangles, and we can get rid of the small rectangle on top. And the remaining rectangles have a dimension ratio of approximately 3:7, which is pretty close to that of a US dollar. And now you're ready to do some money folding. I'll link to some of my money folding tutorials in the video description below, and that should be a great place to get started. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.